Hopewell bike trail, and we're gonna go take you for a ride, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a beautiful day for it. This is a beautiful canopy. We just passed the 3.5 marker. Nice and cool in here. 84 degrees outside, but in here it's about 70 with a nice breeze coming through this tunnel. It's a beautiful day to be alive, to be exercising, getting vitamin D through your skin from the sun, and just getting healthier and slimmer. There's a famous quote, every day and every way I'm getting better and better. Speak to yourself once in a while. Every day and every way I'm getting better and better. Going down a slope now to cross over to the other side. It's a country road, so there are no bridges here because there's seldom traffic in this area. Quite difficult because you're starting from almost the spot. And get your velocity up. Fencing along here. I wish you were here with me taking this ride, but you are. Let's make believe you're sitting in this seat with me. Once you get off that sofa, this is what's waiting for you out in the world. I used to be a couch potato, but look at me now. Look at this beautiful foliage here. And here's the marker. Coming up, what's it say? 4.5 miles. I hope you have a trail like this in your community and that you take advantage of it. No traffic, no risk, and the nice part is it's level ground. I hope I got that piece that we just passed 6.5 miles. I don't know if we recorded it. And this was another bridge we had to cross over. The person riding had a helmet, falls down, he's in a world of hurt. But that's his problem, not ours. Think another marker coming. 8 miles. Keep your foot on the center of the pedal, the center of your foot just in front of your heel, and push down as one cycle. That's why it's called bicycle. As I was saying, ride as far as much as you can so you don't feel comfortable or you're not happy, and turn around and go home. But always try to push yourself a little bit to extend your power, get better and better. Coming up to the end. This is as far as the trail currently goes. We're going to build a bridge across this span, but it's going to be a big bridge, so it's going to take a while. So, we just came from the beginning of the trail all the way here, and it's about 9.5, 10 miles each way. So once you reach the end, give yourself a good break. There's no use to strain yourself and exhaust yourself. Remember, this is a battle, not the war. We win battles, we go to the next battle, and there's another one, but we're at war with this weight. And one of the ways to get over it is to go out and exercise, but at the same time you might find something like I did. I never rode a bike I remember since I was a kid. But I discovered that biking is a great way for fat people to get out and exercise, and if your knees hurt, your legs hurt, and your back hurts, this is the way to sit down and exercise without, really straining yourself too much, but at the same time working your heart, working your body, because remember, the biggest muscles in your body are your thighs. And if you can work your thighs and build them up over time, you'll get your heart pumping, your blood flowing, and you're going to feel better and better. And most importantly, you're going to feel better about yourself. So I'm going to take a break now. I'm going to shut the camera off for a bit, and then we're going to head back down the trail and go have dinner. Always have some kind of reward for yourself. I took a break, laid down on this bench for a few minutes to relax, catch my breath. And this is what you have to do. Everything is in moderation. You didn't gain the weight in one day, or 1 month, or 1 year. It's not going to go in a day, in a month, or a year. It's going to go in increments, little by little by little. And if you want to lose the weight, and die young at a very old age, you too will go little by little. The way you gained it, you're going to lose it. But it's not overnight. And if you don't have the realistic goal in mind, you're not going to make it. You're going to fail once again. So let's start back on the trail and get home and have dinner. Have a nice big salad waiting for me. I'm looking forward to it. Here we go. Back the other way now. Go. Give us some speed. Gravity's going to pull you down. Trucks are passing underneath us. We're nice and safe up here. And here's the reward for climbing that steep hill. get the coast down the other side. Get past the 6.5 mark going back. See, nice and easy coast down the hill. You don't even have to pedal. And one day I hope it's you sending me a video about your weight loss accomplishment and your physical attributes after you've lost the weight. See you on the other side. DanielSongs.com. Free, royalty-free music. Share videos and films on DanielSongs.com. Thanks for listening. I hope you learned something. Share it with everyone you know and come back again. You must pass this on. When someone shares something of value with you and you benefit from it, you have a moral obligation to share it with others. Please do. Please subscribe and come back soon. See you again. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, review, comment, and subscribe. Go to joanbarth.com or SaturdayMorningDiet.com. Thanks again.